girls looking at playing with a different dog here, which is awesome. Ivy always plays with sticks. And so this is where things can tip. And so I'm just, yeah, she said, hey, I don't really like that, right? She gave a little bit more snap, a little bit more energy on that. Hey, not like that though. Yeah, when Ivy first got here, started coming, she'd discipline bite dogs that came near her, and then like even being around, she'd like charge at them and, you know. So it's pretty cool seeing her